Hey everyone, today we're going to be unboxing this Mac Mini M4 so you know what's included and what to expect if you're looking to grab one for yourself. Now they do come in various different configurations. This one has 16 gigabytes of unified memory, a 256 gigabyte SSD, and of course the Apple M4 chip. We'll pull off the tabs here on the back and open it up. The lid slides off the top. And there's our first look at the Mac Mini. I'll have a closer look at that and all the ports in a moment. There's a lid under here, we'll pull that off. And this is where you're gonna find the power cable. Nice braided cable. Coiled up there. And those are the connectors, so of course one into the wall, the other into the Mac Mini. And there's some paperwork under here as well. Some product information, and it shows you what all the ports are. And now it's time for the Mac Mini itself. We'll peel off the protective film. There we go. So on the top we've got the Apple logo. And on the front here, we've got two USB-C ports. Those are great for things like keyboards and mice. There's an indicator light here, as well as a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is handy. Nothing really here on the side. And then we've got our power connector on the left here, an Ethernet connection if you want to do wired internet. You've got an HDMI port for connecting your monitor. And then you've got three Thunderbolt 4 ports here, which is great for peripherals or even connecting a monitor. Nothing really here on the side. And then on the bottom it says Mac Mini in the middle, and then kind of a circular venting area. And then in the corner here is that controversial power button location. So that's the Mac Mini M4. I hope this unboxing gave you value. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.